Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami 4-leaf clover.
Collecting 4-leaf clovers all year.
So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half. One way. And do it the same vertically. And fold all of the 4 points to the center here. Now flip it over and then fold all corners to the intersection point again. And then fold the 4 corners down towards the center diagonally for a little bit. And cut a little bit from these white slits here, because as you can see they're all, cut up now. And then fold the sides of each notch outward. Flip it over, and here you have your own origami 4-leaf clover. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.